Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are doing a product review. We are reviewing a simple green product. It's their heavy duty barbecue grill cleaner. We're going to use this product on a 15-year-old Weber gas barbecue grill, and we're going to clean the cook box. And there's a lot of grease and grime that we're looking to remove from the cook box so we don't have flare-ups when we're using the barbecue. This product sprays on really nice. It foams up very easily, super easy to use, the aerosol can. You can see the grease and the grime on the cook box breaking down almost instantly, so that was really great. We did find out that this was not a miracle remover, nor did we expect that. We needed to scrape and scrub, and we even got a power washer involved. The product worked exactly how we expected it to, so we were very happy with that. I've seen this product on the shelf at the hardware store quite a few times, never tried it. Finally, we brought it home. We wanted to see how it really worked. We were very happy with the results. We will be using this product again, and we highly recommend it. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.